Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial 2. So in this tutorial we are going to demonstrate how do we convert Google Maps 3D data into Blender and further take it into 3ds Max. To In this process we will be needing four software in all. So first is Map Model Importer version 0.6.2. So you need to download this version from this link. There is a download link over here. You just need to download this in a zip file. Another software would be the Blender. You need to download the whatsoever version which is available at the moment. And another software which would be needed would be Render Docs. In this particular version is not suitable for this process. So there are like various versions of this. So you need to download the version 1.6, which you can go to other builds, and over here you can find version 1.6 or version 1.7. These two versions are feasible for this process. So after getting this software downloaded, you just need to open Blender. Once you install it, you can go to edit preferences and add-ons. You need to install the map modeler into this. So wherever you have placed your wherever the zip file is for the map modeler, you simply need to import the map modeler zip file, this file, and install, and you need to enable the add-on over here. After adding the like linking the Blender with the map modeler, you need to open your Google Chrome, go to properties. You need to change the target location with this. So originally you would have this as a target location. So you can either try out this two links, whichever works for you. In this there is a 86, this is an additional thing, and this link is separate. So for my system this link works. So I'll be posting this particular link in the description box. You can try out this. So I have simply pasted over here, and you need to simply click OK. After clicking OK, you need to open your Google Chrome. So after this there will be a pin generated, which is 19680. You just need to you need to open your render doc and go to file, inject process, and in inject process you need to paste that particular pin, so which is 1968 19680. So you can see, you can just inject, and this is ready. So now you click OK over here, open your Google Chrome, and you can see a small script that will be running in the black. So you need to further go to Google Maps and go to, and in this you need to select global view, turn off the labels, and you can search for example, remembrance, shrine of remembrance. So over here in this thing, once again, what I would just turn off the labels, and now we need to capture this from the render doc. So you can set like 5 second, 5 or 10 second, and capture frame. So So you just need to make a toggle in the 3D. You can zoom out depending upon the details you want. You can just slightly toggle and go back to your render dock. So your render dock has captured this data. So you just need to double click this data and you can see a set of things that have come up. You need to save this capture, and for example I'll just create a folder and remembrance. Okay, shrine even. So I'll just save my capture over here. I'm putting today's date. Save. Now you need to open the Blender tool once again, and in Blender you need to go to import and go to RDC, Google Maps Capture, and you need to locate the file where you have saved. So it will be shrine and import. So this might take some time. Okay, so you can delete this thing, and as you can see your 3D data has come up over here. You just need to select this, which would give it a color, and rest. So in this thing right now this is not scaled, so you need to select everything and S enter and just enter 50. So this will be scaled at the moment. This model is scaled, so you just need to save this file as export as FBX file, and you can save it to the desired location. I will be saving it on my desktop at the moment, which makes my work easy. So I have successfully saved my model into FBX. Now I'll be opening my 3ds Max. I'll close the rest of the software. You can even, that's fine. So once you have opened the 3ds Max, you simply need to bring your 3D file, FBX file that has been converted into 3ds Max. So file, import, need to search for the file where you saved. So it's over here on the desktop. Open. Okay, and here we go. We have the 3D of this thing. We have the 3D map data into our 3ds Max via Blender. So thank you guys for watching this video.